Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Install the official Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play and confirm the developer is Trust Wallet to avoid fake copies. Create a new wallet and write down the full 12-word seed phrase on paper. Never store it in cloud or type it into a website. Enable a secure lock and biometrics. Add the blockchain used by the Airdrop, such as Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, and fund it with a small amount like 0.001 BNB or 0.001 ETH to cover one transaction fee. Navigate to the Airdrop D app link in a secure browser and click Connect. Select Wallet Connect or Trust Wallet when presented. If using Wallet Connect, open Trust Wallet, tap Settings, then Wallet Connect, scan the displayed QR code, and confirm the connection session. If using the in-app D app browser, paste the D app URL and use the Connect button. Always read the permission pop-up. Approve only the minimal required permissions and do not accept unlimited token approvals or spending limits without careful review. Before committing to a full claim, perform a test transaction using a tiny amount such as 0.0001 BNB or 0.0001 ETH to verify the D app behavior and gas estimation. Be prepared for gas costs that can range roughly to zero depending on network traffic. Avoid approving any transaction that would cost you over 0.0 without rechecking. After you successfully claim, use a reputable revoke tool or the token allowance interface to remove approvals and save the transaction hashes for auditing and any follow-up support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.